Hello, 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 TBC community. It's a pleasure to be with you once again in another broadcast. As you are already aware, we are still in the distribution phase of TBC, and one of the main features or an important feature in this distribution stage is the cookie reward program currently ongoing. And so we would like to ask, when is this cookie reward going to end? And when it ends, what is the way forward? Without wasting time, let's get admin's timeline on these few questions and a lot that will arise from reading the next blog post from admin. This blog post happens to be a past one, not really current. However, since we are still in the distribution phase, it needs to be highlighted, and so that is exactly what we are going to do in this broadcast. Without wasting time, I've chosen a topic or admin's blog post entitled two classes of cookie rewards. This an image, an article, blog post. It was posted on June 2nd, 2018 by admin. So, like I always suggest, if you are looking for a particular blog post, just go to the search button at www.blog.thebillioncoin.info, and then look for the search button, type in a keyword, at least a word that you can remember, and then click on the search, and it will bring down all the articles regarding your search. Without wasting time, I would like to go straight into reading this interesting blog post. The title once again is Two Classes of Cookie Rewards. It also comes with an image, so I would like to show the image. Yeah, this is the image right here. Good. Now I can go ahead with the reading. Hello world, the billion coin. Two classes of cookie rewards. Image and article. Admin, June 2, 2018. Uncategorized. No comments. Immediately followed by the image. And the image, the title is Broadcaster Cookie Rewards and Basic Cookie Rewards. Broadcaster Cookie Rewards and Basic Cookie Rewards. Okay. I read. You may have already noticed this new table in the cookie rewards section of your Kringle Cash back office. This will develop further because I already see some activities that also should be rewarded as we build our TBC economy. Bear in mind that it will take at least 2 more years to have a fully developed TBC economy. I go to paragraph 2. Up until now, the rewards were given equally to all on a first come, first served basis. But as I said in this article written on May 8th, 2018, here's the link to the article, and the article was titled "Builders Have the Right Expectations About TBC," which we have handled, or which I have handled in one of my broadcasts. Put differently, I have read over and reviewed that article. Builders have the right expectations about TBC. That happened to be my 4th broadcast for the TBC community. Moving forward. Quotes. I have been thinking deeply about the rewards of the TBC builders and the other TBC members, whatever you want to call them. As I have said many times before, TBC is all about spreading opportunities and not about spreading obligations. Once we have fully matured and have 1 million billionaires and 1 billion millionaires, what should be the main difference between the two categories? Should it just be timing? Should those that got in early and paid $110 all get to be the billionaires? Is that healthy? Should those that got in early and paid and then just sat quietly in the background get the same reward as the hard-working TBC builders that also got in early and paid? That's not right. That's not right at all. If we don't fill up the billionaire zone of our TBC economy in May, as of June 1st, 2018, there will be 2 sets of cookie rewards. The amount of cookies a TBC builder will earn will be 1,000 times higher than what the other members will earn in cookies. End of quote. Paragraph 3. I do my best to give you all advance notice on what I'm going to do and why I am doing it. Paragraph 4. The main objective of the distribution phase, into bracket, moving coins, or meaning moving coins out of the admin wallet into the people's wallets, is to create 1 million billionaires and 1 billion millionaires for a sustainable TBC economy based on the principle of abundance for all. Can you get behind the idea of abundance for all? I think It is our best shot at global happiness. But as you can see, we will create 2 classes of it during our distribution phase. Like I said before, timing should not be everything. TBC builders work very hard while the TBC bystanders just watch them do the work on the occasions they desire. Should the early TBC bystanders get the exact same rewards as the early TBC builders? No. They should not get the same reward for obvious reasons. No, they should not get the same reward for obvious reasons. So, let's stretch out the opportunity over much more time to become a TBC billionaire to those willing to do the required work. The TBC bystanders can enjoy this emerging TBC economy as a TBC millionaire once we complete the distribution phase. That just makes sense all the way around. TBC broadcasters are the highest version of a TBC builder. We will not succeed in overcoming the assured resistance from the status quo without at least 1 million voices united in the message of abundance for all. We need to unify 1 million voices and stand up strong and unstoppable. Hopefully, the TBC bystanders will appreciate all that these TBC broadcasters will do for them as we mature this movement over time. Paragraph 5. Let's take a look at the tables in the above image carefully to see how the distribution phase is set up at this time. Please note that the gift of 25,000 cookies will not expire, even though everyone can still see a countdown that goes to the end of September 2018 inside the dashboard area of the Kringle Cash back office. We have plenty of Kringle coins to just give away during the whole distribution phase. This is a very generous gift today, and it will only go up as the value of our coins go up. For a limited time only, we are giving 1 million cookies to the TBC broadcasters, and the TBC bystanders will get the basic cookie rewards of 1,000 cookies for attending the weekly send button meetings. TBC broadcasters simply deserve more, 1,000 times more, for attending this critical meeting each week. It is mandatory to either attend or to watch the rebroadcast of it within 24 hours of the live broadcast of it in order to be considered a TBC broadcaster. Broadcasters really do need to stay current on what is going on within the TBC community. So, knowing what was said in each meeting is vital. Making a purchase of at least $100 is the simplest way to lock yourself in as either a millionaire or future billionaire within the TBC community. Broadcasters get 1,000 times more rewards when they purchase over the bystanders. TBC broadcasters get 100 million cookies for each set of $100 purchased in coins, while the TBC bystanders will receive 100,000 cookies as a reward. If needed, we will adjust these numbers down later, but only if it becomes necessary. Since purchases generally happen quickly after a new member joins us, I have made it possible for a brand new member to immediately become a TBC broadcaster. And in the last paragraph of this article, I will explain that in detail. Getting 100 referrals is rewarded equally between the TBC broadcasters and TBC bystanders, because a bystander that recruits 100 new members is certainly a TBC builder. Even if for one reason or another they choose not to be a TBC broadcaster. Most likely, I will be able to reward 1 billion cookies to each of these TBC builders, regardless of their class, throughout the entire distribution phase. If a bystander wants to become a TBC broadcaster, then they certainly deserve the exact same reward of 1 million cookies when they do even the first broadcast. I have a half dozen more activities I want to develop cookie rewards for, so you will see these additions soon. Paragraph 6. Let me clarify the role of a TBC broadcaster. The point of this task is to give our members a recognized platform for our members to find their voice. It takes most people time and a lot of practice to find their voice, so we do not expect people to find their voice the very first time they do a broadcast. You do not have to be a TBC expert to get the rewards of being a TBC broadcaster. So, if a brand new member that just barely joined us wants to take the path of becoming a TBC billionaire one day, they should quickly figure out how to technically do a live YouTube broadcast and set it up in the Kringle Cash back office, and then do it at the scheduled time and wait for the approval of it from me, the admin, and then complete their purchase of at least $100 to collect the 100 million cookies for it. The first broadcast can be as simple as reading from the TBC blog for 30 minutes in order to qualify for the rewards. Once these new broadcasters learn how easy it is to use the search feature in the blog and the translator if they don't speak English, they are in a good position to start answering questions about TBC. Even if you don't know the answer, when they see an attendee ask a question, they can discover it together by searching the blog while they are live and on air. So you don't have to be a TBC expert to be a TBC broadcaster. All that is needed is an honest effort, and with a consistency, the broadcasters get better and better over time. The point is that each will find their voice. We have a beautiful message to share with the world, and the more of us out there sharing it, the better. End of the blog. No comments. So, isn't this interesting? Isn't this message interesting? Like I started, we are still in the distribution phase of our TBC economy, and it involves distributing cookies to members. Everybody or a new person can also become a TBC member and also receive this gift, free gift from admin. I would like to go over the blog post and then make a few highlights of it. So in the image shows the two classes of cookie rewards, one for the broadcaster, that's the top, and the down below is for the TBC bystanders, or those we call basic cookie rewards. All right, a careful look at the chart or the table reveals that broadcasters earn more cookie rewards for the same activity as that of the basic or bystanders. What I mean to say is, for a particular activity, there's a difference between what a TBC broadcaster earns and what a basic member earns. Okay, so remember a previous blog post where we call those who are TBC broadcasters, or even have at least one TBC in their digital wallet, called Kringless, and then less than one TBC, the Kringless. Okay, that's not needed here yet. What I mean to say is, the broadcasters will earn 1,000 times more than a bystander in this cookie reward program. Now I better go over the article and then do the highlights or review or make the comments as we move along. So we have this in our back office. In the Kringle Cash back office, it's there. When you click on cookie reward, it's right there. Now formerly it used to be equally given out or equally distributed, and so those promoting TBC get the same amount of cookie reward as those not promoting TBC. So admin came up with this broadcast idea to make it outstanding, getting 1 million people at least to be TBC broadcasters, whereby we can face or confront the elite. By doing that, we'll be giving out a lot of info to try to bring people out of their control. Now let's do the review. So this is just an idea from the admin, and today it has been in effect for some, as of today it has been in effect for some months. Actually started in June and we are in August, so June, July, August, almost over 3 months, or almost 3 months, we are in this new category of cookie rewards. We are still in it. So for instance, admin is saying it will be unfair for those promoting TBC and TBC bystanders, those promoting TBC being the broadcasters and those who are recruiting, those who can recruit 100 referrals. Okay, those are those promoting TBC. It's unfair for them to get equal cookie reward with those bystanders or those at the background. That is why admin is giving out 1,000 more or 1,000 times more to the broadcasters. And so being a TBC billionaire doesn't necessarily have to be because you got in at the time when you got in early and took advantage of cookie reward, uncategorized cookie reward, whereby everybody earn one full TBC. We used to earn that when we purchased $100 of TBC, but now if you are not a broadcaster, you are going to miss out. Instead of getting 1 TBC, you are going to be given 100,000 cookies. Some of us became TBC members and received the 100,000 Kringles gift, and we really loved that. Kringles got us into believing in the TBC vision, and today we are still here after the 100,000 free gift of Kringles was followed by 50,000. A lot of people also got the 50,000. Now it is 25,000 Kringles. It is still good free gift which can make one a millionaire at least, if only you believe in the TBC dream. Now this idea of broadcasting is also to help us find our voices, like the blog said. Let me read directly. TBC broadcasters are the highest version of a TBC builder. The highest version of a TBC builder. We will not succeed in overcoming the assured resistance from the status quo without at least 1 million voices united in the message of abundance for all. So that's that. Broadcasting is to help us find our voice so that we can withstand the assured resistance that will be coming from the elite. So here it says status quo. That is what it means, because the status quo today is what? There can never be abundance for all. TBC is about to change that. Another interesting point: how can a new member become a broadcaster? Let's take that. Okay. Okay, a moment please. Okay, so let me take it here. It says since purchases generally happen quickly after a new member joins us, I have made it possible for a brand new member to immediately become a TBC broadcaster. And in the last paragraph of this article, I will explain that in detail. So let's go to the last paragraph and see how that can be done. So this is the last paragraph. It says, let me clarify the role of a TBC broadcaster. The point of this task is to give our members a recognized platform for our members to find their voice. It takes most people time and a lot of practice to find their voice. So we do not expect people to find their voice the very first time they do a broadcast. You don't have to be a TBC expert to get the rewards of being a TBC broadcaster. So if a brand new member that just barely joined us wants to take the path of becoming a TBC billionaire one day, they should quickly figure out how to technically do a live YouTube broadcast and set it up in the Kringle Cash back office, and then do it at the scheduled time and wait for the approval of it from me, the admin, and then complete their purchase of at least $100 to collect the 100 million cookies or 1 TBC for it. The first broadcast can be as simple as reading from the TBC blog for 30 minutes in order to qualify for the rewards. Once these new broadcasters learn how easy it is to use the search feature in the blog and the translator, if they don't speak English, they are in a good position to start answering questions about TBC. Even if they don't know the answer when they see an attendee ask a question, they can discover it together by searching the blog while they are live and on air. So you don't have to be a TBC expert. So you don't have to be a TBC expert to be a TBC broadcaster. All that is needed is an honest effort, and with a consistency, the broadcasters get better and better over time. The point is that each will find their voice. We have a beautiful message to share with the world, and the more of us out there sharing it, the better. So simple. So everybody, every new member can do a broadcast, and once you get into you, and once you hit the ground running, there is no stopping you. This distribution phase, we need to build, or we need to acquire a lot of cookie rewards, which we will redeem in November. Now, there was a question at the beginning: when is the cookie reward program going to end? From the blog, we learned that after the free gift. The free gift is also part of the cookie reward. However, admin is saying the scheduled date of September 2018 that we all knew it will be ending. It could be extended. That is what it says in this article. It says it could be extended. Let me see if I can get to the point. Okay, I'm still looking for it. Okay. I missed it. All right. Okay, please bear with me as I look for it. It's on the blog post. I need to highlight it. Okay, it says here, let's take a look at the tables in the above image carefully to see how the distribution phase is set up at this time. Please note that the gift of 25,000 cookies will not expire, even though everyone can still see a countdown that goes to the end of September 2018 inside the dashboard area of their Kringle Cash back office. So it is not going to end the 25,000 cookie reward, the free gift, when a new member joins. It's not going to expire in September 2018, as we can all see from the dashboard of our Kringle Cash back office. What is the reason? Admin says we have plenty of Kringle coins to just give away during the whole distribution phase, and we know the distribution phase, or we are assuming it will be in the end of November, because we are doing redemption the whole of November 2018, redemption of cookie rewards in November 2018. So as at now, hopefully cookie rewards such as send button meetings, broadcaster rewards, let me go back to the table, referrals and purchases are going to continue until November, where we redeem our cookies. We don't know whether admin will be extending it. It will depend on the amount of Kringles it still has in its wallet, which she would like to generously give out to the world, so that everybody can have or can be part of this abundance for all campaign. Folks, I think this broadcast has given us a gist of admin's timeline about this cookie reward and the future of TBC. We know is 2 years from now that we are going to be fully mature. It's been interesting having you with me once again for this review of this blog post article titled 2 classes of cookie rewards. Bear in mind, the cookie rewards is still in progress. The cookie reward is still in progress, so we need to take advantage of it and then make more cookies, which we shall be redeeming in November. Folks, it's been interesting having you with me for this broadcast, which happens to be my broadcast number 6, and I hope we meet again in my next broadcast. hopefully soon. Thanks for having you around.